helper. This is my little brother Deuce. We're meeting our friends for a fun day at the splash pad.
Welcome to So Harmony's world. Harmony and her friends had so much fun this summer. Let's revisit 3 of their favorite summer adventures. This Splish Splash adventure.
Hi, Harmony and Deuce!
The friends ran through the fountains, played beneath the water arches, and took turns on the slides. But when it was Lila's turn, she stopped beside the slide. Harmony noticed that Lila did not look ready.
It's okay to be scared, but I promise it will be fun.
Lila took a deep breath. She looked at Harmony waiting below and decided she was ready to try.
Yay! That was awesome! Wow, you went super fast! You did it! Way to go!
See you in our next adventure. It's another sunny day at the splash pad inside So Harmony's park.
Hi, friends! I'm Harmony the helper. This is my little brother Deuce. We're meeting our friends for a fun day at the splash pad.
Let's go with Harmony on this Splish Splash adventure.
And
The friends ran through the fountains, played beneath the water arches, and took turns on the slides.
let's go through the fountains again. Woo! Yeah!
After so much playing, Harmony prepared lunch for everyone.
Lunch is ready! Can we eat later? We're having so much fun!
Lila was having so much fun that she did not want to stop.
I know it's hard to stop when you're having fun, but our bodies need breaks too. I was hungrier than I thought.
After eating, drinking water, and resting for a little while, the friends began to feel refreshed.
Taking a break didn't stop our fun. It helped our bodies get ready for more.
It's a bright sunny day in So Harmony's world. Summer is almost over, and a new school year is just around the corner. Before it begins, Harmony and her friends are meeting at the splash pad for one more day of fun in the sun.
Hi, friends! I'm Harmony the helper. This is my little brother Deuce. We're meeting our friends for a fun day at the splash pad. Hi, Harmony and Deuce!
The friends ran through the fountains, played beneath the water arches, and took turns on the slides.
Splash!
Brix and Deuce raced through the water arches and celebrated with a big high five. Harmony, Lila, and Melani splashed, laughed, and danced through the fountains together.
Here I go! Yay! That was awesome!
They took turns, played together, and made one more collection of happy summer memories.
Wow! You went super fast! You did it! Way to go!
After so much splashing, the friends stopped for a cool drink and a little rest.
School starts soon. What are you excited about? It's okay to feel excited, nervous, or both. A new school year is a new adventure.
Then the friends enjoyed lunch and talked about their favorite summer memories.
My favorite part was the big slide.
Before we go, let's have one last splash.
See you in our next adventure.
Be kind, be you, that's What's a special thing to do? Every smile, every heart, that's where harmony starts. Be kind, be you, we're all wonderfully made to be kind, be you, like harmony.
Keep the learning going with So Harmony's World digital printable flashcards, preschool workbook, and poster collections, made for learning at home or in the classroom.
So Harmony